Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a quick easy way to do some strengthening dynamic work to help with the mobility and flexibility in your hips. Starting off, let's bring the left foot forward into an Anjaneyasana or a low lunge. Drop the back knee. Now with a spinal rotation, you're going to bring the hand around, touch your toe while doing a hamstring curl. Lean back into a half Hanuman or half split and leg raise. Now, your cues. So when you're coming forward into your low lunge, you're really going to want to squeeze the back of your hamstrings right in the back of your thigh there. You can absolutely modify by using your hand to help pull your foot towards your glutes. And the more you practice it, hopefully, the more you will begin to rely less on using your hand to pull the foot inwards. If you begin to feel burning in your calf, you know that your calf is trying to compensate for that movement and you're not quite getting that hamstring contraction. Now, when you move backwards into your half split, it's the lower core muscles getting close to the pubic bone that are really important here. You're going to want to think about pulling up from the kneecap to really engage your quadriceps and feel that deep lift and that deep contraction in your hip flexor right inside your pelvis to lift the leg up. It's okay if you only get it, a couple centimeters off the ground to begin with, but the more you practice, the more lift you will get. Let's go and do our right side. Right foot forward into your low lunge, drop the left knee, rotate backwards to do your hamstring curls, squeeze the foot as high as it can go towards the glutes. Back into your half split, flex the toes up to the air, flex the quads, lift the leg high as you can. And really take notice as well. Notice what feels different between the right and the left side. Maybe one side feels a little bit stronger. Maybe one side may be a little shaky. You might notice, as I noticed on this side, my right hamstrings are a lot tighter, and it did make the leg lift a little bit more difficult for me, and that's okay. But just take notice of how things feel from one side to the other. Make sure you're breathing as you're doing this. Deep breath as you inhale, transitioning between the movements, and exhaling as you're moving into either your leg lift or your hamstring curl. You can include this into really any exercise that you're doing, whether you're at the gym, whether you're doing yoga flow, Pilates, calisthenics. If you're just taking a break from studying, it doesn't matter. All of it is good. You can do each side between 5 to 10 repetitions, and you should feel nice and warmed up by the end of it, returning to your reset position.